Here's your sound of the day. A freshly mowed suburban lawn. A single weed defiantly growing in a place it should not be. A slightly irritated homeowner plotting this weed's demise. A chartreuse-colored rechargeable electric string trimmer. Personally, I know it as a Weedwacker. It's also known as a weed eater, a weed whip, a line trimmer, a Weedwacker, one word, a brush cutter,
My personal favorite, strimmer trimmer.
and finally a strimmer, which is probably said strimmer.
For any of my UK viewers.
Where was I? Yes, the defiant weed growing in a place it should not be. Sound of the day.